National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland until 7:45 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gibson Island, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Pinehurst, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Sillery Bay, Arnold, Lakeshore, and Cape St. Clair. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed. A special marine warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m.